You're looking for whitening, get your hands on this. You're looking for smoothness, get your hands on this. You're looking for flawless skin, get your hands on this. So you're suffering serious acne and your face is dark from your neck upward is a bit dark, or probably you're not having a unified color and you have series of breakouts. You know, on this channel what we do is we review. So hey my loves, welcome to Beauty Boss Reviews. If you're just meeting this face for the first time, hi, my name is Queen and you're on to Beauty Boss Review. In today's video, we'll be reviewing one solution to your problem, all right, especially for those that break out a lot. Probably you do a little, you still break out. You do much, you still break out. Like you do a lot of skincare routine and you still have a lot of breakout. Well, this video is for you. If you'll be looking for something to clear your acne, be looking for what to actually give you a smoother skin, flawless look, acne free, then this is for you. Kindly watch this video to the very end. So today's video, I go straight to the point and we review products, okay, so that we don't end up wasting your money in products that turns out to be your nightmare. So today's video, we're talking about this product. It is called the Peel the Loan lotion. Peel the Loan. All right, so this is referred to as lotion because it is running and it is actually to cleanse your face. Okay, this is a toner. All right, I like to call it toner instead of cleanser, but the general name for it is cleanser, right? But this is a toner. All right, this is for acne. Now, this product has variants. It has three variants that I've seen so far. It has the pink, it has the green, and of course, this one. So now, according to how these products are listed, they have different strength. I'll call it strength. For this is the toughest, this is the strongest of it. Yes, I can testify to it because since I am a tough skin girl, I usually try to look for something that will beat up to my skin texture. Okay, so this is actually for tough skin girls. Then the green is actually mild, but not that mild. Okay, the green is mild, but the pink is milder. All right, so if you are sensitive, your skin is sensitive and you're dark skin, you go for the pink. Okay, go for the pink because it does near to not much um job. It's actually just mild to cleanse your face and to keep your face smooth and acne free as well. But for those that want to like lighten up a bit and they're also dark skin, combination skin rather, you can go for the green one. I can actually tell you that that will work best for your skin. If you don't want to lighten, do not even go for this one. The green and the pink don't do much. I would say don't do much, maybe according to how my skin texture is. If I use those, I kind of don't see any effect or anything it does on my skin. Like I don't see the effects than those that are sensitive skin and dark skin actually use those two and they will see great results. All right, so if your skin is sensitive, easy to respond to product, then you can either go for the green or you go for the pink one. All right, I will leave the picture somewhere so that you can have an idea what they look like. But this brown one with a white cap is the strongest and also toughest of it. All right, this will combat serious acne. It will help your breakout. It will minimize your pores. It will also reduce spots, dark spots. You have hyperpigmentation. Your face is not just giving you one unified color. This will help you and this will lighten you up faster, up to 3 shades. Because I could remember years back when I tried it once, and that time I came back from the village. I came back from the village and I had a lot of breakouts, change of water, my face was dark. In fact, I was just messed up and I was like, what will I use? So the guy I buy my cosmetics from just suggested this and I tried it. This is about 4 5 years back, and I tried this and it was wonderful. Like it lightened me. Now, for those that like I said, you have tough skin and you have done everything, you have not seen result, especially when you have dark elbow, you have dark knuckle, you have dark knee, you have dark inner thigh. You, in fact, this will just do the job. Just get your cotton pad or your cotton wool and apply some of this liquid on it and go over those dark areas like your dark knuckles. When you have terrible knuckles, you have your knees, your inner thighs, just look for this and use it. Now, the downside of this is that if you use it too much, if you overuse this, it's going to cause you problems because it's very potent, very harsh, to tell you the truth. I use it, so I should be able to tell you the effect. Now, I love using this on my hands. Guys, this is one thing you should know if you are battling dark knuckles. Like, I love using it on my hands when I'm cleansing my face. All right, and I'm done cleansing my face, I still apply some to a clean pad and go over my hands and my feet. Now, if you have dark feet, hold up, you can use this, all right, without mixing. Now, some people tend to complain that it is very harsh on their skin, and so far they try to play around with it and they add water. I'm going to tell you for free, do not add water to this. If you add water to this, you're going to kill the strength. Yes, this will go just like ordinary, it will kill the strength and it might end up going rancid on you in a matter of few days because you've introduced water. So if you intend to premix this, like if you want to lighten or loosen the strength of this product, you can as well as use rose water. All right, now, use rose water, add to it so that it will bring down the strength of this because it is very harsh. Again, it is not advisable for you to use it on a daily basis. I don't use this on a daily basis, okay? I only use this once or twice a week. And that is when I see that I'm like trying to have new formation of pimple or I have acne I want to send away. Yes, dark spot acne used to do it. All right. It does not remove ingrown hair and it does not remove uh inbuilt, as in you have pimple, dark head, black head. It doesn't remove it. Okay. What I said it removes is it helps your hyperpigmentation, it whitens your skin, it helps to lighten your spots. It helps to clear your acne and also stops the formation of new pimple. That's how strong this is. Now, it is said that it is a product of Proxima La Beauty Programme. Well, this is said in French, but this is an anti-touch. That is why I like it. It is an anti-touch that is mixed with fruity acid. Now, the instructions, what they said is it tightens pores while purifying the skin that becomes smooth and clear. It removes dark spots and pimples, just like I said. And now the application is soak dry cotton, return it before using, preferentially apply every evening. In all of this, if you're using this, expect to whiten. If you don't want to whiten, like if you're trying to like beat between your dark face and all that, just mix this with a rose water. You don't have to go hard on it because it is actually very harsh to your skin. This will dry out your skin, yes, because as harsh as it is, if I use this, I kind of try to use a moisturizer immediately. Now, some people use it after applying and it becomes dry. They'll stay some minutes and wash it off. Okay. If you cannot stand the way it is dry, because it will dry you out like dry, I don't know how to quantify it because something that you use on a cotton pad and if it mistakenly touches your hands, like your tip, the hand, this place like this, it dries it, it makes it dry, and before you know, it peels your skin. Like after 2 to 3 days, the this your hands that touch this liquid begins to peel. Okay, so now if you experience peeling, it's normal. If you experience redness, it's a normal thing. The only thing I'm advising is once you start experiencing any of this, just skip your use. Do not use it back to back. Like, we tend to use products that works. Like we tend to like commonize and use it back to back because we want to get this maximum effect. Okay, fine. It's good for you to get your maximum effect. But the thing is, once you use this, just try to skip the days. That's why I said skip the days of usage. Don't use it back to back. Don't use it daily. I use once or twice a week, and that's it. Especially when I begin to see formation of new pimple, probably because it is that time of the month and you're expecting your visitor, and you begin to see one or two popping out instead of breaking it, like touching and tempering with it that it will leave dark spots. Just use this on it and it will disappear back to your skin. So guys, if you have watched this video to the very moment, to this very moment, and you have not subscribed, please smash the subscribe button. Don't you like to see this face? Smash this button. Let me be your friend. Let me be your sweetheart. Let me be your love. Okay, guys. So this is actually you can use this. Okay, another way again that you can use this, you can actually premix this in your black soap. Let me tell you for free. You can premix this in your black soap. You can add this to your shower gel. It's not that expensive. It's around 12,000 naira. So you can add this to your shower gel, your black soap. All right, you can add it to your scrub as well. It is very, very effective, a very, very powerful. Okay, so if you have used PEAU de LUNE and it gives you good effect, you can also leave us comment in the comment section. And if you used it and you didn't know which one to go for, you can as well as ask me the question in the comment section. I'll be there to respond to all your complaints. All right, guys, so this is it. It is 100 ml, and for the size it's good, it's okay for me. For the price, because of the inflation of everything, I think that's why it's like this, because normally I usually get it for 3.5. But now here they begin to shout 12,000. Okay, but I've had this for a while now because it's not something that I bought yesterday and will finish today. Okay, I've had it for a while. Like I said, I use mine once or twice a week. I don't use it on a daily basis because it is very powerful, and I don't intend to premix it. But if you feel you want to premix yours, you want to like down the strength, you can just use your rose water, or you can, I don't advise water, just normal tap water or pure water or any sort. I don't advise that because it actually kill the strength and it will not even, you will not see the effect. Okay, but when you put rose water, you still have strength. The strength will be there, but not that strong. Okay, guys. So let me know if you're going to be using PEAU de Luna lotion. It's a toner, right, guys? Tell me if you're going to use it, and also, yeah, this is how it looks. Guys, get your hands on this. Okay, you're looking for whitening, get your hands on this. You're looking for smoothness, get your hands on this. You're looking for flawless skin, get your hands on this. Just the way it whitens your face. If you use it on your hands and your feet, especially if you suffer dark hand and dark feet, this is going to help you clear that issue on your feet and your hands and your dark thighs, your dark elbow, dark knuckles. All right, so guys, I'll catch you on my next video. Bye, guys.